Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. We're doing another project using the Seaside Wishes bundle. We have our stamp set and then our dies, and it has an embossing folder as well. We're not using the stamp set today, we're just using the dies, and then we're using the Hope You Know stamp set. I like this one. It has a lot of kind of sentimental sentiments. We're gonna do a sympathy card with wishing you comfort. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's grab a couple stamps, wishing you comfort, and then this one. So we're going to do a sympathy card, and find some blocks. I don't feel like I'm prepared today. I don't have any blocks set up. It'll be okay. We'll just grab what we have on top of the basket, and hopefully that will go well. Okay, here's our card. Since this is a sympathy card, we're going to do some nice subtle colors, and I'm using our new basic beige and basic black. So that's what we're going to do. I have already taken this one and run it through the embossing folder. I did not use the dies that go with it. It's a what they call a hybrid embossing folder, so you can die cut and emboss at the same time, but I am just embossing on this card, not die cutting. And then I'm going to layer it on my black. This is a very simple card. I have a piece of our basic beige ribbon, so I'm going to wrap this around right about here. Let's just get a little adhesive. Whoops. Let's see, I think, which side? Basically the same on both sides, so it doesn't really matter. Okay. All right. And then we'll adhere this to the card front. And I will post all my measurements and supplies on my blog. I'm sorry, they are mowing the lawn next door to me right under my window, so I just have to talk over them. So in the die set, we have a couple of these little sponge cross-section pieces or dies, and it cuts out a small and a large, and this is the larger one. And then I've cut a little banner from the Stylish Shapes dies from Basic Beige. And then we're just going to use our black ink. This is a super quick and easy, but yet elegant card. Okay, let's see. I want to make sure I get this centered the best I can and hopefully straight. Okay, pretty good. Then we'll do the inside. Now usually I say to stamp and then glue. And I glued this, and hopefully we'll stamp this pretty straight and we'll be okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, you just never know what might happen. Okay, now gluing this on, I usually use a little bit of liquid glue, and you don't have to glue a whole lot. I just kind of do some of the thicker areas and just whoop, get a little bit. And I'm going to actually slide that under the ribbon. And then we're going to pop up our banner on top. I'm going to do three mini dimensionals like this. I want to make sure I don't get it just on the ribbon. I got to get above and below the ribbon. And then I'm going to just put that over a little bit. And then let's add, I like these flat back pearls. I'm just going to use a few of these. They're just pretty. They're kind of iridescent. They look like mother of pearl. And they go really well with whatever color you put them with. And that's it. Isn't that elegant and beautiful? We could actually, let's grab one of these sand dollars, since we kind of have the sand dollars on the front. Let's grab a block and let's stamp the basic beige sand dollar. I'm not going to do it in black. That's pretty stark. Let's just do the sand dollar. It's kind of a, it does the outline and then that little star shape in the center. Let's go ahead and do one kind of down here in the corner, just to add a little fun interest. And that's it. So if you have any questions, post below. If you'd like me to showcase a specific set for videos, let me know also. I'll post measurements and supplies on my blog. And of course, I would love to have your order. Get free goodies if you use the host code for September. And I think that's it for today. All right, thanks everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.